So today we got the Thinkware U3000 Pro. So let's see what's in the box of this brand new exciting dash camera coming out for the holiday season. Well, here's the new U3000 front dash camera. It's got a valid serial number, so that's a great thing. That means it's not pre-production, and it was, you can see, produced September 2025. So that is exciting because so many companies have been sending me pre-production units lately, and then I'm wasting all this time testing them to find out that it was pre-production. So at the top here, you can see there's the video input, which should be for the rear camera, DC in, which is going to be your power cord, external, this is for external GPS antenna, battery, so if you have like a iVolt extra battery pack, and there's a USB-C. The USB-C should be for the optional LTE module or optional interior camera. So quite the upgrade. So you have the option of, do you want LTE or do you want that? I was told the LTE module is not currently available yet, but once they have one available, we will get one for testing. On the side here, we can see the SD card slot. And then we'll just go back to the front here. So you can see you can change the angle like so. We'll turn around to the front and you can see, I guess we'll just take this off. You can see here, you got your manual recording button. We have your power button, Wi-Fi button, and you can turn your microphone on or off. So what's inside? So we have a mount. The mount looks the same as the old U3000 mount. So let's see, this is the old original U3000 that's been around for about 2.5 years. Let's see if the mount works, because there might be people who want to upgrade to this. Yep, there you go. The mount works for the old original U3000. Rear radar, sticky tape. So it doesn't look much different, but my understanding is they're now using a Sony STARVIS 2 rear sensor, while in the prior one I don't think they were using a Sony STARVIS 2. I'm pretty sure it was a STARVIS 1 on the original U3000. So it comes with the new style OBD2 cable. I'm actually excited for this because it now has 2 pins. It's now using pin 4 and 16, just like the iRoad OBD2 cable. I think this is great because the prior generation that had 8 pins from Thinkware, I think was problematic. And it looks like this will be exactly the same thing. You can see it's got the normal fuse holders here, and if you just cut the wire right here, you will end up having, you can end up hardwiring it just like a normal hardwire cable. So no need to purchase a separate hardwire cable. You can actually utilize this cable as well, no problems. And rear camera cord. Typically they're about 6.5, 7 meters long. Just around 20, 23 feet typically. So I've never had an issue with this fitting in vehicles with your standard installation practices. Could there be a couple oddball vehicles where maybe it doesn't fit? Yeah, it's a possibility. And but make sure, see how, if I zoom in here, see how there's like an R there? That means that goes to the rear camera. And if we go to the other side here, see how there's an F? That's for the front camera. There we go. Now you can see it. There's the F. So this plugs in like so. Also has some heat blocking film. I don't really find this relevant up here in Canada, but I could see this probably being relevant in like Arizona, California, Florida, Texas, some of those pretty hot states, or there could be some other countries where it gets extremely hot. I'm not really finding it of major use in Canada. Some extra sticky tape in case you ever need your windshield replaced. Some little stickies here so you can actually clip the wiring on if you need to for wire management. And it looks like Thinkware has changed the way they're doing their polarized lens now. This looks, well, this looks very different compared to their older ones. So not really sure what this is for, but I guess, yeah, I guess this just clips on now. So they've changed it. So no longer a stick-on. It now just looks like it goes over top. So definitely different than the prior generation of the CPL filters. But it comes in the box. And last but not least, the SD card. And it looks like it's a standard 64 gig Thinkware SD card as well. Well, that's what's in the box for the brand new Thinkware U3000.